Hello everyone, welcome to NTD Visual. Today I help you how to create object is rectangle, square, by line, polyline and rectangular command in AutoCAD. So the first way you can like commands create square, rectangle. Okay, so you type active slide command. Active slide commands, enter. Okay, click, very easy, click and input T, enter. Okay, so rectangle, again square, okay, and close. Okay, so very easy. Now the second way you can polyline, create square, rectangle, polyline, click, and you type close, C, enter. Okay, again click, very easy, close, enter. Okay, very easy. Now third way you can rectangular polylines, rectangle command in AutoCAD, REC, enter. Okay, very easy, again very easy, okay, again very easy. Okay, so summarize. Third way, create object, square, rectangle in AutoCAD. The first way you can like command, the second way you can polyline command, the third way you can rectangle command AutoCAD. Very easy. This command is basic in AutoCAD. I think this video helpful to you. Please subscribe, like, to share everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you.